Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sav, where life meets style, adventure, and a whole lot of fun. Grab your seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into today's video. Hey guys, it is President's Day and Monday. But just because it's President's Day does not mean I am off. I currently picked up my other 4 hours of my required hours, me being PRN. If you haven't heard the whole PRN spiel, go ahead and check out my last video. I go into work today to get the rest of my hours for just 4 hours today, and then I am done working for the month of February. Thank goodness. Okay, guys, so for me personally, I have two options: hair or makeup, not both. I feel like I always do hair first, and yeah, I already washed my face in the bathroom, brushed my teeth and everything. So now we're just gonna do a quick makeup. First, since I already put on moisturizer, I'm just gonna put some primer on. So now that my primer is sitting, we're gonna just put on our brows and get our brows completed. Always start off with my clear brow gel. I feel like, ooh, so after my brows are put on with the pencil, I am just going to go in with my concealer, clean them up just a little bit. Once my eyelids are set, I'm literally gonna go in with some eyeshadow, of course, and we're just gonna do something extra simple today. Okay guys, so eyeshadow is done. It's super simple. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. So next is hair. So I did take a shower last night, so my hair is like freshly cleaned. I was gonna do my hair, but I'm probably not gonna do it. I'm just gonna put it in like a low ponytail because yeah, I feel like that's just gonna be the quickest option for me. I don't want to have to put product in it, so I'm just gonna skip the hair for today. I guess I don't really have to do anything with that, so let's hop back into makeup, I guess. I wasn't going to do foundation. I did put my primer because I think my primer makes my face look so shiny, but I mean, I'm just gonna put some powder foundation over it. Okay guys, so we are going to add some blush because I love blush, but I'm not going to be using the blush I used last time. I have another blush that broke. What's new? But this one is so pretty. Okay guys, so blush is on. The next step is honestly just some tinted brow gel because we need to set these brows in place so they do not move. Now the final step is just to add a little bit of highlight. For lips today, I'm honestly just going to put on some lip gloss that I have in my purse. I'm not even going to do anything extra today. Okay guys, so makeup is completed. Yay. Hair, I'm just going to leave it down today, like I said, because it is soft brushed. And honestly, it just feels so nice to just have my, I guess it's natural. I don't know. I kind of, like blow dried it a little bit while it was wet, so it might have gotten a little more straighter than wavier, but for the most part this is my natural hair. So yeah, I'm excited to go to work. I'm gonna get dressed really quick and then I will be right back. I'm wearing just my NCAA t-shirt, and then I am wearing my Levi's, and then of course my pink shoes. Honestly guys, super simple today, nothing crazy. And then I'm just gonna wear my work cardigan that has their logo on it. Um, but yeah, here's the fit. Everybody is still asleep, and the kids are sleeping in the living room. They've been asking to sleep in there, so I finally was just like, you know what? Get some blankets, get some pillows, go lay down and watch some movies. Since you don't have school tomorrow, just go get it done. Okay, guys, so currently just got home. It was definitely one of those days at work today. I'm just gonna brush my hair down, take my makeup off, go and start cleaning up and decorating for St. Patrick's Day. Let me show you guys my Valentine's Day decorations. I think they are so cute. Okay, guys, so here are the decorations. I am obsessed with how red and pink and cute they are. I also have one in the restroom, but I'm just not going to show it this time. But I'm obsessed with how my decorations look, and it's now time to add St. Patrick's Day decorations. Okay, guys, so I added the cutest little St. Patrick's Day decorations, green and gold and lucky and rainbows, and I am just obsessed with how it looks. I am also obsessed with adding garland to the little arch. I think it's just so cute and just such a pop. Okay, guys, so currently just cleaned the bathroom. I cleaned the sinks, and then I cleaned the toilet. Hands are washed, of course, but now all I have to do is clean the shower, and you guys, it's just a lot. Like, cleaning the shower is just, it's just a lot. Let me show you. Okay, so here as you walk in, we put a shower curtain up, but honestly, guys, I'm not really too sure how I feel about it. But then it's like a walk-in, and then here is inside. It is just a lot to clean it, so what I do is use my O Cedar mop, and I have an O Cedar mop head specifically that I use for the showers. I got to clean the shower, and then I have to dust the fan in my room, and the reason I'm going to dust the fan in my room right now is because I have sheets that I want to put on our bed that we just got. I might as well dust right away and just get these sheets dirty so that way I could just yank them off and put the new ones on. I'm trying to be more organized in this house, and that's something that I wasn't really at my other house. So yeah, I'm trying to be more organized. So I'm going to get a couple of little like boxes, like bins type of thing. And what I'm going to try to do is organize the medicine. It's just honestly like a hassle really to get it from where it's at. Let me show you guys. So I want to organize the medicine stuff that is at the top, and then we have the random area of honestly everything, and that needs to be dealt with. And then just kind of clean it up and organize it. Okay, guys, so I dusted the fan, and I dusted the fan on the old bed sheets since the fan is right above the bed. And then I changed the bed sheets, and now I am making the bed um, with the clean sheets, clean blanket, so we can have some fresh sheets for the week. Alrighty, guys, so here is our bed. I am trying to find some decor for in here, trying to find an area for this mirror because I love the mirror. And then I need to find a headboard because honestly, we're not too sure what we're gonna put on the walls and how we want to decorate in here, which is why we haven't gotten the headboard just yet. And then we do want to mount the TV, because I do have a mirror that goes with this dresser. I just kind of got to see, like I said, it all depends on the decor that we put up in here. But my husband should be coming home here any minute now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish making the bed, cleaning up our room, and then I'm gonna head over to the kitchen and get the kitchen cleaned and prepped for tomorrow. Like I said, hubby's birthday is on Thursday, so I want to make sure the house is nice, cleaned, and just kind of refreshed. I also have work on Thursday. I did pick up Thursday, so yeah, definitely gotta get ready just so that way Thursday is a quick, easy day we're gonna eat dinner more than likely out somewhere since it is his birthday. And then I do gotta pick up the cupcakes that I ordered for him. I'm so excited to see his reaction to those cupcakes because he is just a huge Harry Potter fan. You guys, Walmart Bakery, 10 out of 10 recommend. You guys, Walmart Bakery is so freaking awesome. So many designs online, super affordable. They have filling, at least in my area, they have filling, not only in just the sheet cakes, but also like the round cakes. They have the really cute vintage heart cakes, and even the cupcakes that they have can get filling. You guys, you can literally get 6 cupcakes for like $4. You can get 12 pack of cupcakes for like $7.97. What? Count me in, you guys, count me in. I got the cutest cupcakes for Super Bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip right here so you guys can see how cute they were. You guys, I literally paid no more than $15 for these cupcakes. I'm just shocked.